Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing your data. Take a backup now so you can revert if needed. Once done, open Gateway of Tally and go to F11, Accounting Features, because this setting controls whether you can change voucher numbers. Make sure Allow Manual Voucher Numbering is enabled and accept the screen. This step lets you edit numbers manually. Without it, Tally will prevent direct changes. After enabling, close Features and navigate straight to your accounting vouchers to begin altering the specific journal entries. Now you locate the journal you need to renumber. From Gateway, go to Vouchers and select the journal voucher type because that filters only the entries you need. Next, use Alter or View to search by date, ledger, or amount until you find the exact voucher. Accuracy matters, so you don't edit the wrong record. Once open in alteration mode, move to the voucher number field and enter the desired new number. Make sure the number does not duplicate existing vouchers to avoid conflicts. After changing the number, save the voucher immediately and then verify within the voucher register that the new number appears and no duplicates exist. If you must renumber a series, use Utilities and choose Renumber Vouchers. Do this only after another backup and review the preview before committing. If something goes wrong, duplicate numbers, missing entries, or unexpected balances, restore the backup or review Tally audit logs to identify what changed. Finally, confirm reports and trial balance. Reflect the correct numbering before closing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.